Hey guys, Miss Ernst coming at you from my tiny room with my tiny whiteboard. I just wanted to check in and see how everybody was doing. We really miss you guys at the Pell Middle School, and we're definitely hoping that school can get back to normal as soon as possible. In the meantime, school is going to look pretty different for the next few weeks here, and I just wanted to give you a little heads up of what math will look like. So starting next week, you can be checking in with Google Classroom. I'll post things like videos with notes, answer keys, and just activities that you can kind of explore and practice a little bit. While you're working on those, if you have questions, please make sure you write those questions down or you keep those activities close by. I'll have office hours every day, and we'll use a feature called Google Hangout, which allows us to talk back face to face, kind of a little bit like a FaceTime or a Skype sort of thing, and multiple people can join that meeting at the same time, so we can go through some questions. Or if you just really feel like you need a cheesy joke for the day, you can always tune into those, and I'm sure I'll have one for you. Other than that, I just ask for your patience during this process. It is a learning process. I'm really excited to try out the online stuff and try and learn some how to use some new technology and kind of integrate that into our lessons. So I think it'll be really exciting, but it is definitely a big learning curve. If you have any suggestions along the way, maybe websites that you found that were super helpful or ways that we can organize or pass out information a little bit easier, feel free to send those suggestions my way, and I'll do my best to incorporate those. In the meantime, the one thing that I'm really missing the most right now is just the interaction with students and getting to hear what everybody did over their spring break. That's always one of my favorite parts of coming back from a winter break or a spring break. It's just hearing what people did, funny stories that they have, exciting places that they traveled, or things that they got to do. So that being said, I've created a Padlet link. It's posted on Google Classroom, and when you go to it, you can post a video, you can just write text, you can post a picture, a link. There's a whole bunch of different ways. If you want to play a game of Pictionary on there, you can draw out what you did and we can try to guess it. But I would just love to hear what you did, and hopefully you can interact with some of your peers and hear what they did as well. Just a fun way to form some community and get to hear from each other a little bit. So feel free to check that out. I've posted on there what I did over spring break, and I'd love to hear what you did as well. Hopefully we'll get to see each other soon. In the meantime, stay safe and stay healthy.